Okay, this is the installation and configuration of the smartwatch Inkax SW-06. Okay, so firstly what you need to do is that ensure that the watch is actually completely charged. Okay, we suggested the charging cable is actually included in the box. Okay, and you need to use an original charger to which you will connect your charging cable. Okay, better to use an original charger rather than any normal one, because the watch may not get charged properly. Okay, fine. Now the watch is charged, so what we have to do is that we need to connect it to the mobile. So there is an app that we need to download. On Android it is called GoFit app, and for iOS it's mentioned over here, it's called IR band. Okay, so for any issues you can read the instruction manual, all the details are mentioned here. For Apple Store, the app is IR band, and for Android it is GoFit. Okay, so we'll just install it. Okay, then what you need to do is that once the app is installed, you need to configure your Bluetooth. So on your smartphone, just mention that just make sure that the Bluetooth is turned on and the visibility is also turned on. Okay, and now in your smartwatch, what you can do is that you can swipe down and you can see the Bluetooth icon. You can search for new device. For me it's already paired over here, so you can search for new devices. Okay, and once you have that, okay, yes, power on Bluetooth, yes, switching on the Bluetooth. Okay, at last, do you want to connect? Yes, I want to connect. It says it's connecting, and you will get a notification here that you want to connect. Click on pair and allow Inkax to access your contacts and call history. This is important, that you need to allow it. Okay, very important, and click on pair. And you can see here it is connected, and here also it's connected. Okay, you can see that the device is connected. Okay, now we click on back, you can see the Bluetooth is connected right now. Okay, so now what we'll do is that we'll go back to the application. And one very important thing about the application is that you need to agree and allow all permissions, because if you don't do that, you will not receive notifications or the watch may not work properly. So we click on agree, click on OK, click on allow, everything. Okay, so click on device over here. Okay, you need to connect the watch over here, so click on connect. Please open the location link to make it easier for you. Click OK. Okay, the location link is on. Go back. Okay, now it's searching for Bluetooth. You can see Inkax SW-06. It has found the Inkax watch over here. So we click. Okay, so it says it's connecting to the device. Okay, it's connected. So if you have a Huawei phone or any other phone, it says that you need to make some settings on your phone. So just go through that and make some settings, whatever it says over here. Okay. So it shows what is the battery settings and all of the settings that are there here. Okay. So now these are the settings. Now regarding the dial settings, click on dial settings. Okay. Here are the dial settings that you have. You have several dial settings over here. Okay. You can click on any dial setting, the dial that you want. The dial is basically the face of the watch, this watch face, okay, or this design. So the watch itself contains about many watch faces. So if you click on the watch here, just do long press, and you can see there are different watch faces that are there. Okay, and there's some animated watch faces also. You can see these are animated watch faces also. Okay, and if you want custom watch faces, you can have custom watch faces also sent from here to the device. Okay, so when you're sending it, it'll ask you to just wait for some time. It'll send, like for example, if you want to send this thing, are you sure you want to set the watch face? Click OK. Okay, it says it's actually sending it to the device, so it will take some time. You can see that it's actually sending the the watch face, and the transfer is almost done, and you can see the new watch face is now set. A custom face over here, wallpaper, like somebody's picture or any other picture that you like from your phone gallery. You can click on camera over here. You can take the picture from the camera, or if you want to select from your gallery, you can click on album and you can select from your gallery and it will be uploaded over here. Okay, fine. Now regarding the notifications, this is to adjust the brightness of the screen over here. Okay, now for the notifications, there's a setting called app push. Okay, so you have all the notifications here, so we'll just switch on. Okay, notification access, so you need to allow GoFit. Okay, and we allow all the settings. Okay, and you have all the settings over here. You have a fine band option, wear mode option. Now the flip wrist to light screen. Okay, click on. What happens is that you notice that it comes on. So the setting for that is over here, flip wrist to light screen. Okay, and you have all of that options here, and you have your regular settings over here for the sports setting and everything. And yeah, and you have, now let me try to send a WhatsApp notification. You can see that it comes up. Okay, you can see that the notifications, you can see that it is there. Yeah, if you want to see what are the notifications, once again, you can see the notifications have come in. Okay, now how to make calls from the watch. You have your set. This is the menu that you have here. Okay, you have the call option over here. Okay, so in here you can actually make any call that you want. You can make the call from here. 3 4 5 6 7 8. Let's try to make a call. Okay, so it will be a Bluetooth call. Yes, and you can see that it actually tries to make a call right now. So you can go to contacts and you can see all your contacts over here, and you can make a call from here. Okay, and then we go back, and then there's, you can see your 1 minute, your messages over here, all the messages and calls. All right. Okay, if you want to make some other settings also, you can have your settings here, your language, basically to change your language. Okay, you can change it from English to Arabic. Okay, you have the Arabic language here, so you can select the Arabic language and you can make it Arabic as well. Okay, so these are the basic settings over here for the smartwatch.